So if you are using the codecs in laptop and if you want to use the codecs in mobile app, so codecs also have available in the mobile application as well. So previously this feature was not enabled. So you can see when you open the first time codecs, so you can see introducing codecs mobile. Use the Chat GPT app on your mobile to keep working with codecs whenever your computer is awake. Okay, so you can just click on this codecs mobile. So this codecs mobile will be connect or phone to this PC. Keep working with codecs from or phone or other device. Pick up when where you left. Stay in loop. Start something new. So you can just basically get started. So this is the new feature. So if Codex Mobile is there, so this is the iPhone. If you want to for the Android, you can just open your mobile and scan basically this QR code based on whatever you have is there. So this scanner will scan, give you the complete of this uh, codecs into our mobile. So I am scanning into this mobile, my mobile. Okay, so Codex Mobile is there. So once you scan this one, this will be now already, if you already downloaded, you can download it also. Okay, so this is the process you can use and you can basically do all these things. I already have complete tutorial to learn the codex. So if you are new into the codex or if you don't know about the codex, I have designed complete course, OpenAI Codex full course, AI coding, automation, agentic, master AI coding. So this is the very next level of this tool where you can use the development activity. You can create the AI agent. You can understand the prompt engineering, understand the how AI is transforming the IT industry. Basically, learn how to automate software development tasks using AI, create AI agent, develop AI world. And this is the Udemy course. And if you not like this course is also basically you can refund the amount as well. We have some couple of the preview uh, also you can go and watch. So this is the very beginner level I designed this course and you can just use the coupon code study uh, t- uh, STUDY, okay. Study IT, study IT education, okay. So study IT edu. So you can note down this coupon and you will go get more discount on this coupon as well, okay. So you can get only 479. So this coupon is valid for the couple of days and this course is very good suitable for the all the software developer, data engineer, Python AI engineer, cloud student, a beginner, tech professional, non-tech professional. So you can see all this course covered. So we'll see you in the course. Thank you so much.